Selling on BigIron.com, January 20th, 2016. 1995 Bobcat 853 skid steer with 1,650 hours showing. It has 58 horsepower Isuzu diesel engine, hydrostat transmission, auxiliary hydraulic, cab with heat. The front door has been removed. It has a Bobcat 811 backhoe, 4 hydraulic downriggers. The backhoe comes with 3 buckets, one 12-inch, one 16-inch, and one 24-inch. It also comes with a 64-inch bucket. The tires are 12-16.5, and it has a spare tire and rim. For more information, call Steve at 308-237-2437 or 308-236-3357. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.